Today we are going to make tandoori chicken with the whole chicken. This weighs around 6.22 pounds. That's like 3 kilos. Probably after I remove the skin and a little bit defrost, it may go up to 2.5 kilos of chicken. I know it's a big chicken for tandoori. Yep, that's what we are going to do today. Okay, now we are going to remove the skin of this huge chicken. Okay, now we have removed the skin and remove as much as fat possible. I know it's a tough job. And after this we are going to make slices like this, marks on chicken all over it. Make it as deep as possible, but at the same time don't cut it completely. Like this all over the body, so that way whatever the masala we are going to marinate onto this one, it will going to stick it to it effectively. Now we are going to marinate this whole chicken. First we are going to add some ghee. If you want, you can add some oil instead of ghee or any kind of oil. That's good. Now we are going to add some ginger garlic paste. That's good. Now we are going to add some chili powder. Lot of chili powder. Now we are going to add some garam masala. That's good. Now we are going to add some coriander powder, dhania powder. That's good. Now we are going to add some salt. That's good. Now we are going to add some, if you have some kind of chicken tandoori masala or some kind of chicken 65 masalas or even chicken masala, anything works for this part. Okay, I have this one. I'm going to add some of this. Now it's time to add some color. This is optional, but yet I recommend only this color makes it the tandoori chicken beautiful. That's good enough. Now we are going to add some yogurt or curd, the plain yogurt. That's good. Now, yep, and a lemon. Squeeze the half lemon. That's good. Now we are going to mix it well. Do the massage gently at the first, so that all the spices are mixed. So all the marks you have made, cuts, make sure the masala goes deep into it. Like this, as you can see. Squeeze the muscles, so that way the masala goes deep inside. Now water the masala that is left over, push it inside to the chicken on the back and the front, as you can see. I am to gather all the masala and just squeeze it into the stomach. Now we are going to leave this marinated chicken in freezer for 2 to 3 hours. Now we are going to preheat the oven for up to 400. I would recommend 375, that's good. Later on we will increase the temperature. So preheat the oven like this for the at least 15 minutes or until it reaches the 350. After 2 hours of marination, this is how it's going to look. Now we are going to move this one onto this tray, and also inside we will be placing our tray over here. Below to that, make sure you cover place some kind of lid or place it aluminum foil, because all the oil will be dripping down. Now we are going to move our chicken onto this tray. So place it on the tray like this, and these will help us in later on flipping the chicken inside. So, and also coat once again all the leftover masala onto the top of the chicken, wherever the gaps you find, the cuts. Now it is ready to keep inside the oven. Place it carefully. Now that's how you're going to place the chicken. Make sure the tray covers the below part. All the drippings will be collected in the tray, and leave it like this for 25 minutes, and then we are going to flip it and leave it for another 20 minutes. Now we are going to flip this after 25 minutes. Now after flipping this, we will be adding some oil on top of this, and we will be leaving it for another 20 minutes. Okay, for the mint chutney we need mint, coriander or cilantro, green chili, some ginger garlic, just a little amount. It's almost over. Yeah, that's good. Lemon juice. That's good. Now we are going to add some yogurt to this. That's good. Now some cumin seeds, some salt, don't add too much, we can add it later on. Now we are going to use the blender to grind this. So add some water to this, and if it's spicy, add some yogurt and salt. That's it. I like it with less consistency, not thick, so that's why I added a little bit more water. But if you want more thick consistency, add more mint and cilantro or coriander to this. Almost ready. And now what we are going to do is, in the last 5 minutes, we are going to keep the oven in broil for 5 minutes. So that's like almost peak temperature of the oven. We are going to leave it for 5 minutes on this. Tandoori chicken is ready. As you can see, because of the broil, you will be seeing all kind of barbecue tandoori effect over here. And now what we are going to do is, we are going to spread all the chaat masala on this one to make it much more tasty. So we are going to add all the chaat masala. Now we are going to flip the chicken. The big boy is very grilled as of now. And we are going to squeeze some lemon onto this one. That's it. The tandoori chicken is ready. Very simple and very easy process. Anyone can make this if you have a nice oven at the home. Thank you so much.